Hey, Bill Umansky, welcome to the Umansky Law Update. I got Rachel in my office, great lawyer. We're going to tell you what happened this week. A good week, I think.
Yeah, we did have a great week. As a matter of fact, you want me to tell them what happened on Monday?
Sure.
So Monday I had a motion to suppress on a DUI. It was a second DUI within 5 years. What that means is my client's facing a minimum 10-day jail sentence and then a minimum 5-year driver's license suspension. That's actually a mandatory 5-year driver's license suspension. We filed a motion to suppress the field sobriety exercises to get him thrown out of court, and we actually won. So what that means for our client is those field sobriety exercises that he did terrible on, by the way, cannot be used in trial against him. What that meant for us is that we got a reckless driving offer that same day.
And my wife, attorney Sara Umansky, had a great week. She's not here because she's out celebrating, but she kicked ass on a battery case. It was a domestic violence case, if you want to call it that. A young kid and his mom got into a little tussle. There were no injuries, no fights, no bruising, nothing, but the state wanted to pick it up, and that was going to leave the juvenile with a record, even though the mother didn't really want to proceed with it. So Sara filed a stand your ground motion on behalf of the kid, and thankfully the state ended up dropping the charge.
Yesterday we had an expulsion case, a high school expulsion case. A client of mine, he actually got kicked out of his home school, expelled, secondary placement we like to call it. When they give him a second chance, we gotta go to like the bad kid school. So while he's at Positive Pathways, it's a transition center, he picks up another level 4 offense. So he gets into trouble at that school as well. Normally what that means for you is 2 strikes, you're out. I mean, they don't let you go to any Orange County public school at that point. But luckily, they took into consideration the fact that he has a learning disability and he has some other issues going on. And so what they said is, look, you have to be homeschooled and do online school until December 20th. But come December 20th, you can just go back to your home school. That's actually a pretty big win because this is his second time screwing up, and he's going to be able to just finish out the year and then be fine.
And you know, at the Umansky Law Firm, we believe everyone deserves a second chance. And I even had a great result this week. I was very, very humbled that I actually got a prosecutor to really have a heart and listen. Had a client that was charged with shoplifting. It was her first offense, or we thought. Unfortunately, the store had some facial recognition that maybe she had done something in the past. She was devastated, really wanted to get the case resolved. She had waited a year to get into the diversion program, got in, and then they told her no. She hadn't gotten any new charges or anything, and she really was a working woman, a professional person, just a nice lady, just devastated. Well, the prosecutor was just a great person, and I explained the situation. I even showed the prosecutor, which I normally never do, with my client's permission, what she expressed to me. And you know what? The prosecutor just dropped the charge. And that, I can tell you, is when a prosecutor gives someone a second chance. So that was a great week for the Umansky Law Firm on that side. And we also are improving our case management system. So we sent Randy and Winnie and Sara out to Utah for a conference and had a good time, and they're going to bring back some valuable knowledge that's going to help our clients, and we really appreciate them as well.